How long have you been doing this for?
Just a year now.
Okay.
Yeah. I wanted to get back into riding, so I thought, why not get a job in the industry?
Oh, what have you got?
I've got a street triple as well.
Oh, what, 6 or 7?
The 765.
Nice.
But yeah, because when I started working out, I had to get a discount, so I had to take advantage of that.
Yeah, fair enough. My mate's got a 675 Daytona. I had to go on that. That was terrifying. Oh yeah, of course. Yeah, let me just stick it in front of the drive. Oh, I don't really mind.
Oh, thank you very much.
Right, cheers. All right, cool, cheers. So hello everyone, and welcome to a shed, and welcome, or should I say you join me next to this thing. You've just seen the previous clip. I've got a new bike. So I'm actually recording this the day after I picked it up, because originally I set this up in the garden with my Honda next to it. I'll put a picture up on screen now, because James was meant to come over and we went to go out and I was going to surprise him with this. That didn't end up happening, so it's now in here. I've gone for the podcast style of holding a microphone because I thought it'd be slightly more interesting. But yeah, so this is my new bike. I can't actually ride it yet because I haven't done my tests for my A. I've got to wait another month before I can do those. But they're all booked. Mod 2's in Gillingham. Great. But yeah, this is my new to me 2013 Triumph Street Triple R. And I love it already. I mean, looks sexy. That's what I'm going to say. But yeah, so I don't actually know when I'm going to put this video up, because I want to wait until I can ride it, because I'll probably do an actual, like, really short, like, reveal video that I can sort of put on YouTube and TikTok and everything, and then this video will probably come out after. So I'm going to imagine by the time you're watching this, you already know I have this. This is like the proper introduction video. It's currently the 26th of September, so you'll probably be seeing this at least 2 months after I actually get this bike. Yeah, and you may be wondering, why have I bothered getting it so early? Simple matter of the fact is, as I'm sure you've seen, so as I'm recording this, the last video I did was the Honda review on my CB500, and then before that was me looking at Bikes and Bike Factory. And if you follow me in my TikTok on that, you'll know that I've been doing an hour about what to get next, and I kind of was already getting fed up with myself going on about it all the time, and I saw this come up. It's got really low mileage. It's got less than 8,000 miles on it for a 2013, and it's in really good condition. It was at a Triumph dealer, which is odd considering they don't usually sell second-hand stuff that's over like 5 years old, but they said they took this in because it was in good nick. So yeah, I just thought, sod it. It's there, I can afford it, I want it, and then it saves me a million for the next 3 months about what I want. So here it is. What else is there to say? I don't know. I guess I'll just pick the GoPro up and give you a look round, I guess. I think. Also, I don't know what you can see behind me, but that is a 1964 or 68 Lambretta 125 Special. It's not mine, it's my dad's. It hasn't run in years. Please comment if you want him to fix the bloody thing, because I keep trying to get him to do it and he won't do it. But that's getting onto a tangent. So, yeah, I'll pick the GoPro up and I'll give you a look around the bike, I guess. Right, so I've just arrived at Passbike to do my Mod 1 lessons. Obviously, there's the CBF. However, there's a bike down here that looks vaguely familiar. Is that the Street Triple I see? Yeah, so my Street Triple's here for work because it's already pissing out coolant. I say pissing, it's got a small leak on it. So yeah, haven't even ridden it yet and it's already in the fucking shop. Great. Right, so yeah, the Street Triple's in for work, which is great. It's leaking coolant. It's not a massive leak. I'll put some pictures up on screen now, but it's annoying that I haven't even ridden it yet and there's already something wrong with it. I had a bit of a nightmare trying to get it sorted because The bike was still under warranty. In fact, I took an extended one out on it anyway. Rang up the dealer I got it from, which is in Watford. It's a main Triumph dealer. And they basically, like, didn't know what to do about the fact that I'm here in Southend and they're in Watford. They were like, I think they wanted me to ride it up there, but they were full on aware that I don't have my license yet. I told them that when I bought the bike and said, is that a problem if I buy it? And so then they eventually put me through to the Romford dealer, and when I said, they have told you that I can't ride the bike, you'll need to come pick it up, they went, oh, we don't have a van. So, like, what makes you wonder what happens if the bike fully went wrong? If they, you know, you just get left on the side of the road and push it to somewhere? Like, great. So, yeah, it's now in Pass Bike. They've done warranty work for me before on this bike, actually. The switch assembly up here, if I've got pictures, I'll put it up. It was split all on the bottom. Whoever fitted the heated grips on it before I got it basically didn't do it very well and brought like a located pin. Everything still worked, but the whole thing moved, and if water got in there, I didn't want to risk the electrics going kaboom. So, yeah, it's booked in for the 29th. They didn't say it was anything other than a bottle. They didn't really say anything. They just said it was booked in for the 29th. So I'm hoping it's going to be a quick and easy fix. My test isn't until the 6th anyway, so there's no rush, but it's just a bit annoying. Yeah, this is the third time I've tried recording this clip. The first time it didn't record, and the second time I sat on the bike and I was in the shadows. Because I've already put it away, I can't be able to get it back out again. So yeah, hopefully the next clip is me somehow riding the bike or close to that. But if not, I guess enjoying the shenanigans of the Street Triple saga. It's fun so far, I'll say that much. Ha ha ha. I feel well taught on this. This is sweet. This already feels natural and comfortable. I say that, I'm about to encounter my first proper corner on the thing. Give me a second. I have a gear indicator now. Oh my god, okay. Oh, that sounds incredible.
Hold on.
Hello!
What the fuck is this?
This is Gilbert.
Hold on. This motherfucking life. Why, how? Also, you told me in the bike that had a fucking hole in the car.
Drop us a rev. Sounds really nice. It just looks so good as well.
So sit there and I'll do a poll. We'll crack a bit of room and I'll do a poll. Yes, officer, I'm going to be in the speed limit.
Nice. What gear is that?
That's second.
We're in the same gear.
Oh, you know, tunnel. I mean, bridge.
Oh, that sounds so good. Thing is, it just sounds like a race bike, where my one still sounds like a street bike.
Yeah, it's all good. Right, ready? I'm going to open it up. Ready?
Yeah, go on. Oh. Very nice.
Bam, bam, bam. Whee! That's where Roberto's going. We're shutting in a minute.
Huh?
That's where Roberto's going. We're going to shut now.
They don't usually shut until about 7. On weekdays.
Sun's still out.
Yeah.
So yeah, the Street Triple is finally home. It's been a palaver, to put it lightly. But yeah, it's here. Honda's there. I am using a spoon to hold the mic because I just want to be able to hold the microphone. It makes this feel easier to record. I'm not used to doing shit like this yet, so here we are. But yeah, so that's it. The Honda's not going to be featured on the channel anymore because I'm not sure to ride it anymore. I would say I swapped the policies over, but that isn't quite what happened because they wouldn't quote me on that, on the Triumph, for the policy for this. So then I had to take out a new one, which ended up being with a subdivision of Bike Shore anyway, but they say, oh, we're just brokers, which I guess is true, but also it's just kind of annoying because it feels like I've been conned out of money. Whatever, it's here now. Yeah, going on the leak that it had for the coolant. Turns out it wasn't apparently leaking, it was overfilled, and that's why it was slowly dripping out the bottom. Not entirely sure if I believe that, but I've not had anything come out of it since, so yes. But that means I've now got to pay for it because it can't be put through as a warranty claim, but luckily it's only like 75 quid, but it's still annoying. Yeah, so that's all fun and games. I've been out on this... How many times have I been out on this now? Four times? Because I did a little ride the day I got it, which is the footage you've just seen. The day after... What did I do the day after? Day after I rode it to work, and then went down the seafront after work. And then Saturday we went to Epping. It's now... Actually, it's now exactly 1 week after I picked this up. I'm recording this. And then after that, so yesterday we did... where I live to Dunmo to a Triumph dealer, then across to Braintree, then to Morden and back home. So I've done about over 300 miles on it already. Yeah, it's great. It's terrifying, but it's great. And it feels like it fits me much better than a Honda did. This has been lowered. I never knew that when I bought it. The front fork's been lowered by like 15 mil apparently. So that sucks. Yeah, this just feels like a much more substantial bike, and it's a lot more... I want to say that this wasn't fun, but this, now that I've ridden this, is like, yeah. And there's more character, there's more performance and theatre with this, especially with the engine alone. So yeah, hopefully come the summer I'll be throwing it around corners a bit better, because at the moment I've not really touched corners and everything's wet at the moment, so I don't really want to. But yeah, this opens up the possibility of track days now for me, so that's great. But yeah, I'm not really sure what else to say really. That's pretty much it. The Triumph is now here. It's now mine. I'm now riding it. Honda's up for sale, so... almost 2 years of this. It's been brilliant. It's been great, but it is now going. Yeah, let me know what you'd like to see me do with the Street Triple. This video should hopefully be going up this evening as I'm recording this. Saturday will be a video of me and James going to Epping, and I'm on this. That was last weekend, just gone. So yeah, I hope you've all enjoyed this little video. Yeah, ta-ta, I guess. I also forgot to say this thing's got to get me to Birmingham and back on Monday. Let's hope that goes well.